Good morning, friends. Today, this video is brought to you by the Kerala Weatherman. Today, we are dealing with a brief topic on cyclones. In meteorology, a cyclone is a large-scale air mass that rotates around a strong center of low atmospheric pressure. They are usually characterized by inward spiraling winds that rotate. All large-scale cyclones are centered on low-pressure areas. The largest low-pressure systems are polar vortices and extratropical cyclones of the largest scale called synoptic scale. As synoptic scale means synoptic is the branch of meteorology called synoptic meteorology that deals with the study of or in the fieldwork of predicting cyclones, low pressure systems, tracking storms. So we know a cyclone develops when it comes or originates as a low pressure area or a cluster of clouds, mainly cumulus. Cyclones originate in deep oceans. Example, we can take our India, that is Bay of Bengal. The cyclones that had originated in the Bay of Bengal comes or starts as a low pressure system from Andaman, that means South Andaman, Southeast Andaman, that means the remnants of typhoon that has come from Philippines. So when these clouds become a low pressure area, we know the Coriolis effect, right? The rotating effect of Earth. It's a major factor of causing cyclones. In geography, we will be studying about that. In 10th standard or plus 2, we will be studying if you take the course of such things. So the low pressure system, due to the Earth's rotating effect, Coriolis effect or Coriolis force, this starts next stage called well-marked low pressure. It is the second stage of development of a cyclone. Then comes depression. When these cumulus clouds cluster together, they means a thunderstorm clouds and they form a spiral band of clouds. It becomes a deep depression. After deep depression, the weather agency of respective countries name them a tropical cyclone. Here you can see the image of a tropical cyclone. This is the tropical cyclone that has recently come 05B in 2016 December, that is cyclone Vardha. Now it is considered as a very severe cyclone Vardha, and this you can see the spiral band of clouds to the around the system. You can take a brief look. These are the spiral bands. As you know, it is India's coast. Look, this is India's coast. So then after cyclonic storm, if the rotating effect increases, it becomes a severe cyclone. It has a category. So for cyclonic storm, it becomes above 55 km per hour. For severe, it becomes 100 km or 110. Then very severe, 120. Then above it is called super cyclone. It is about 200. So this nomenclature of the naming cyclones is given by each country each year for the cyclones that originate over each tropics. The Vardha is given by the Pakistan, and the meaning of the cyclone Vardha is red rose. So when a cyclone comes, it is being forecasted in the path of a track. We know it is called as the forecast track, and this is called as the forecast track. Look, now from Andaman it started. This is the position here. From deep Andaman it started. It comes in the form of cyclone storm, arrived Chennai and made landfall in Chennai. So It is an interesting field of science that the modern technology has arrived. It is very easy to predict those cyclones and save millions of people's lives. So we can conclude by saying the tropical cyclones have been increasing due to the industrialization as the sea rises, that means that sea temperature rises. The latest cyclone research data has been given, and it says that due to the rising sea temperatures, the cyclones have been increasing in Bay of Bengal, and it becomes very severe these days. We know the chain of cyclones that come in December was Cyclone Kent, Cyclone Nada, and the very severe cyclone Vardha. These all cyclones came in the Bay of Bengal in 2016, and this Vardha is not dissipated yet. According to recent forecasters, it is it will again intensify into severe cyclonic storm, maybe, or to a tropical cyclone, as we can say Vardha reborn, and will go and hit on December 20th or December 19th on the Oman coast with a very heavy rainfall. It is predicted by GFS model and a layman weather forecast. So thank you for viewing my video. Have a nice day.